Hello, everyone. Welcome to my DW Garden. Start your day with a delightful twist on a classic breakfast. These vibrant chestnut meringue eggs are not only visually appealing but also packed with nutrients. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them fantastic way to kickstart your morning. So here we have one egg in cold oil. Then I'm cracking the second one in. Never put your eggs in hot oil because it doesn't fry very easily. It sticks to the pot when it's too hot. I've always done my egg like this. So I've just sprinkled a little bit of salt on it. So now it's sizzling. And oh wow, the two eggs are looking bright. The yolk is just really golden, so add a little bit of paprika to it. Look at it now, looking very sizzling. Much I love bubble up, man. We can't wait to take this egg, yeah, honestly. Right, add some more paprika to it. So here we go. Shake the pot a little bit, and this, yeah, then I'm gonna use my, all right, try and see if we can flip it over, see if it stick. Yeah, use the lifter to see if it will. We're gonna let's see now. Lift him over. Wonderful. Go, girl. See? Excellent job done. But say, we can't wait for my breakfast. I got to throw some sauce on this. Look at my spit as well. My God. Here we go. Still frying. I like my eggs not too crispy, but this is all right. This goes down well with a slice of brown bread. Look, now we're going to lift them out of the oil. Watch it. Just take your time and let it take time. Turn on the stove, don't have the stove too high. Right, so now we're going to put it in the plate. Come, take time, take him up, right. Come on, no, man, come on, take him up, man. Take him up. Right now the plate, yes. 2 eggs. Perfectly done. Look, now I am going to add some grated cheese to it. I love cheese with my eggs. It adds that additional flavor, that's savory. And then after that, now I'm going to drizzle some of my DWs. Oh, a little bit of, oh gosh, you see the sauce there? Yeah. Oh, yes. Me use the knife to put some on it, but guess what? I just throw it out of the bottle and done. Just dash it out pan it. I can't bother. Because the pepper sauce nice and rich. Talk about thick, nice, real organic sauce that's grown right in my garden. Breakfast is served. A slice of bread, cheese, parsley, and the tomatoes and my sauce makes an amazing breakfast to start the day.